Welcome back everyone, I'm Neil from Prolon Controls. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your PL485BT to your iOS mobile devices. So let's jump right in it. When you receive your PL485BT, you'll notice that it comes with two cables, a USB cable and an RJ45 cable. You'll need to plug in your RJ45 cable into the port located at the bottom right of the PL485BT unit, and the other one will be plugged into your Prolon device. This can be an NC2000 network controller or an M2000. Plug in the USB cable into the top of the PL45BT unit where it says USB, and connect the other end to your computer or wall charger to make sure the unit is fully charged before using. There's a power switch on the right-hand side of the unit. Make sure it is turned on. Once powered on, you'll see the power light go on in the front of the unit. Your hardware is now connected. Let's proceed to the software configuration. So what you want to do is launch your Focus app, and then you're going to look for the bottom left. You'll see that gear icon. Select it. And then you're going to look for Bluetooth devices. Go ahead and select that. And here you'll see the adapters. Select your current one that you have. Then long press on that. Select Get Information. It's going to ask for a password, which is 6 zeros by default. So go ahead and do that, and then hit Pair. Now you'll get all the information pertaining to the adapter. Hit OK. Then you're going to back out to your settings, and then hit OK. Now you're going to open your project, open it again, select the globe icon at the bottom left, select the adapter, and you'll see that you're connected at the bottom middle here. Hit the plus arrow on the bottom right, add the network controller. By default, the address is 99. Hit OK. And there you go. You've successfully connected the adapter. Should you have any other questions or comments, we can always be reached at proloncontrols.com. And remember, here at Prolon, we're powerfully simple and always reliable.